Alright guys, welcome back again. I am back home on cleaning this tree. I cut those two big tree back there, and today I'm going to cut this one because when this tree is open, she will be open really large. I'm going to cut this tree right here. It's a mulberry tree. I hope I don't cut the fruit because it's really a nice tree, but it is what it is. I need to cut her because she is really big over here. I need to cut her, and then I will show you guys the result in the other tree. As you guys see, got mangoes over there and mangoes over here. Yes, I need to call somebody to wash the gate. The gate is unacceptable. It is time to wash it. And then I think next week I'm gonna come back to remove all the spinach here and all those flowers, guys, who keep pushing out here. And I think I did a good job over there. Since I was the one who put the mulch by the pole, there's nothing over there because I put bags, I put stuff. I mean, nothing can go to it. But I was paying people to do this. I mean, everything coming back. They didn't cover it with the thing they were supposed to do. But it is what it is. That's this tree now. And I hope on the next video, she can be small. Thank you, friends, for watching.